Good morning. It is day 40. Hold on. It's day 40, so I'm more than halfway done with 75 hard. To be honest, yesterday was the worst day for me because just getting in from work and then going to the gym kind of late. I think I went around like 9:40, maybe 10. And then to come home and oil change. I went home right after the oil change and just knocked out. And so I ended up sleeping for 4.5 hours. No, 5 hours. No, 4 hours. And by the time I woke up, it was 5 o'clock, which is way later than I ever like to be past my second workout routine. So it was just such a long day. I honestly and contemplated quitting 75 hard because I was just so drained. And honestly, throughout this entire challenge, I just keep telling myself, am I listening to my body or am I giving up too easily? Which one is it? Because my body feels fine. It's just my sleep schedule is terrible, and that drains me because obviously I can't, do my workouts the best to my ability if I'm super tired. But on top of that, my body's not getting the benefits of my food intake or my workouts if I'm tired, because you need sleep to, help optimize your workouts and get the benefits of strength training and lifting and hypertrophy. Yay! Oops. There it is. Messy, but looks delicious. Okay, so even though I'm not in the mood to have cold zoodles today, I will, just because, actually no, I'm going to heat them up a little bit. I'm so excited to use this. I should probably read the manual, aka, oh, they don't have pictures. I thought there was a manual. If this is the manual, okay, cut ends of fruit. I think it really is. Oh. It really is self-explanatory. Oh, that looks so good. Here, I will show you guys. Almost there. It looks so good. So green. So tasty. I might have overdone it with the peas and the tomatoes, but I think this will be really good. It's hot, so I don't know if I want to add the beets. I don't even think that will be good, to be honest, but I'll add them anyways, just because I want to kind of get rid of them, because I already cut them. We're at the gym early today. It is so chilly today. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I need to start wearing a sweatshirt. So good. So while that's working, I'm just gonna transfer this coffee into a stainless. And I'm also gonna add my favorite creamer. You guys probably have heard of it so far, but it's so good. This is the Laird Super Creamer Vanilla, and I think I mentioned this before in a different vlog, but it has coconut cream, water, coconut milk, organic coconut sugar, aquamin, which is calcium from marine algae, organic gum acacia, Tahitian vanilla extract, sea salt, organic mushroom extracts, which include chaga, lion's mane, and cordyceps. All the good stuff for your brain and for like your cells. So cordyceps are really good for you, like super good for you. If you don't know anything about mushrooms, definitely check out Mimi Lindquist. She is awesome. She is the mushroom queen, apparently. Maybe self-proclaimed, but I would say so. Like, if you look up mushrooms, especially cordyceps, if you look up cordyceps and HPV, or if you look up mushrooms and HPV, she knows a lot about almost every single type of mushroom. I'm not sure about like turkey tail. I don't know much about turkey tail, but I just like am starting to get more into consuming mushrooms. I used to have a chaga tea every single night, like a hot chaga tea with unsweetened vanilla almond milk and raw honey, and it was just like the best part of my night while I read my 10 pages of my non-fictional book. Which reminds me, okay, so today I have some plans to go and get a new non-fictional book. And also, I think I'm gonna stop at Ikea because I really need a dresser. My clothes have been in a bin for like a year because I'm so terrible at picking a style when it comes to apartment decor. And so I tend to go with black a lot. Like every single thing in my apartment is black. But the dresser's gonna be white. Actually, I'm going to Ikea to get the mom dresser. I really hope that they have it. And so good. And I'm not sure what else to do. Like, here, I'll show you. So I moved my office into this apartment, so everything is on this wall. I eventually want to get a couch like right here, but who knows how that's gonna work out. And then right over here is most of the like little half, like maybe like half of the candles. And I don't really know that I like having these glass shelves here anymore. I feel like there's not enough space either with like the shelving. So I think I'm going to move those two right here on this wall, like behind me, like right here. And then put like a wooden shelving unit right here instead that goes from all the way here to here. And then that way the rest of these candles can actually make their way on the wall, and I can move this huge table to the storage area. So that's my plan for this apartment as far as like the big area goes. I don't really like to buy a ton of furniture because I am someone who just like doesn't like to stay in one place for too long, but then I always end up staying for like 3 years. So I mean, who knows how it's gonna really turn out, but hopefully Ikea will have at least the bare minimum basics that I'm looking for with like the dresser and the shelving unit area, because I am ready to get organized over here and get like oils off the floor and get these boxes organized so I can see what I really have for inventory and order what I need, so I'm on top of my game. So, oops, I might have missed one. Yeah, so that's the plan for today, and I will see you guys later in the vlog. Before I have my oatmeal though, I'm definitely gonna eat this banana because it is done for. Like, look at how like wobbly it is. Oh, it's breaking, that's why. So I'm gonna have this banana, and then I'll show you guys what my oatmeal looks like. It's pretty straightforward. It's blueberry protein oatmeal, and the protein might look a little sketchy because it's in a little baggie, but there she is. That maple waffle protein powder. To make sure I end my first workout really well and start my second workout even better. Look at it, it is finished. I'm so happy. This took me about 3.5 hours. It's 3:30 now, and I still need to go to the gym and do my second workout, so I'm gonna do that before I even start loading this up. I'm so excited. And then like right here on the wall above it, I really want to put like a circular mirror and then get the rest of my things in, but this is just lovely. It's huge too. It's way bigger than I thought. Like, I actually really like that it's not that high, so that when I pull out the drawer, it's right here. I'll like made die, and then I'll get like a mirror or something right there. I don't know what I'm gonna put on here, but oh, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited it's finished. Yes. Okay, great. That was a pretty awesome workout. Is Caroline Girvan, is that circuit training? Because I'm not sure if I should be doing circuit training if I want to build hypertrophy, but I don't know. It doesn't really feel like circuit training from, I guess, what circuit training is supposed to be, like where you go station to station and do like a couple of different things, but at the same time it's 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off most of the time. So I don't know. I guess it's circuit training. I don't know. It just kicked my butt today. It was day 11 of Epic 1 program, and it was quads and abs. Oh, felt so good. And the great thing about this program and doing this as my second workout while doing weightlifting as my first workout of the day is that I've actually noticed that I have strengthened my back. My back is flat on the floor now when I'm doing ab workouts, and that feels amazing because when I'm doing the ab workouts, I feel like I'm strengthening my actual abs and not like I've been filming this whole time with the camera off. So I'm at Fresh Time right now, and I'm getting some lemons. I'm getting some Celsius probably. And then, even though I've been drinking a lot of Starbucks, I'm not going to get coffee, but I don't know. I guess we'll just see what's in there. Pumpkins. These pumpkins are gorgeous. I really like this color right here. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I'll get 2 of these. And I kind of want to try this one. I wonder if this will be good. I'll try it. Here's dinner. My phone died, so I did not get to film making it, but it's finished. I have white rice underneath here, some cooked peppers, onions, green beans. This was hard to, how long does it take for bell peppers to cook down? Like I couldn't get it to cook down, and it's still kind of got some structure to it. And then some egg whites because I need more protein, garlic powder, and salsa. So I picked this up at Whole Foods, obviously it's right there. And I had this before my workout, and it was actually really good. As you can see, it has some goodies in it, creatine, BCAAs, which I actually don't take either of those, amino acids, and cordyceps. I take cordyceps, or I add cordyceps in my coffee. I took this 30 minutes before my exercise, and it was, oh, what else does it have in it? Some goodies. Cocoa bean extract, green tea leaf extract. Alrighty, have a great Sunday, you guys. Bye-bye. See you in the next vlog.